Grammarly is a powerful writing assistant that can help refine your tone, making your content resonate with your audience. Let's explore how you can use Grammarly's tone adjustment feature effectively. First of all, open your Grammarly website, right? Make sure that you log in and sign up with your account, and then continue to the free version, right? And you're gonna see right here other ways to use Grammarly. I'm gonna continue with that installation, right? And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just paste a text or a script that you copied from anywhere, right? Paste it here, right? And then what you're gonna do, click on your Grammarly, right? And you're gonna see right here adjust tone at the bottom left. You could go ahead and click adjust tone, right? And as you can see right here, if you continue, you're gonna be able to just course correct the mistakes, right? Just hit down right here and click the empty space, and you're gonna see the pencil at the bottom right here, right? Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hit continue, and you're gonna see neutral, formal, or casual, right? And this is the tone of your text, right? You can turn bullets to pose, sound compassionate, make it assertive, sound confident. In my case, I'm gonna use make it as assertive, right? And then I'm gonna generate the text, and as you can see right here, I'm gonna hit insert if I liked it, right? And as you can see right here, I adjusted the tone of my text. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And with Grammarly, adjusting tone becomes straightforward, while basic tone detection is free. Upgrading to premium unlocks personalized tone suggestions for even more polished writing. See you.